शुभमध्याह्नः सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। तु इदानीं अग्रिमपाठः पञ्चमः पाठः शिक्षास्तरे वयम् आरभामः। यथा पूर्वं प्रत्येकस्मिन् पाठे एकपङ्क्ति उक्तिः वर्तते, तस्य पठनं कृत्वा अग्रे सरामः। अत्र किमस्ति? धर्मं जिज्ञासमानानां प्रमाणं परमं श्रुतिः। धर्मं जिज्ञासमानानां प्रमाणं परमं श्रुतिः। षाणच् प्रत्यय जिज्ञासमाना जिज्ञासमानाः जिज्ञासमानानां तेषां तस्य तयोः तेषां जिज्ञासमानानां किं वदति सूक्तिः अत्र? धर्मं जिज्ञासमानानां जिज्ञासमाना क्षम्यताम् एकनिमिषं म्यूट् आल् करोमि, रिफ्लेक्शन् आगत्। जिज्ञासा इत्युक्ते संस्कृते ज्ञातुम् इच्छा, जिज्ञासा। सो ज्ञातुम् इच्छा जिज्ञासा। जिज्ञासमानः अथवा जिज्ञासमाना, जिज्ञासमानः इति पुल्लिङ्गे। तो जिज्ञासमानः इत्युक्ते यः ज्ञातुम् इच्छति सः जिज्ञासमानः। तो जिज्ञासमाना Shanach, the complement of Shatru, one who is currently desiring, okay, and Mananam puts it in Shishti Bahuvachana, of such people. So you see how much is packed in this word, what kind of pratyaya, prakriti pratyaya, yojana technique is there, all from one dhatu, Gnya dhatu. Okay, the Gnya dhatu is related clearly to the knowledge, right? To know. The word English word know comes from Gnya of Sanskritam. Okay, there may be arguments about the path. There is no arguments about the relationship. Okay. Okay, just as usual, my window is popping out. Oh, what was the sound effect? I like that. It's like a Bollywood sound effect there in between. Okay. So there is a process by which Jna generates Jignasa, and then there is a Shanach Pratyaya, and then there is this Vibhakti on top. I mean, so much at play in that one word, right? And anyway, all that color Shan, let us get the meaning. Dharmam Jignasamananam. So, of the people who are desirous of knowing Dharma, of knowing Dharma. Okay, so that is in karma position there. Pramanam, the proof. Paramam, the ultimate pramanam. Okay, the ultimate pramana is Shrutihi. What is Shrutihi? It's a Srilinga word. It is actually the one of the words, many words that are there for Veda. Okay, so collectively all the Vedas is known through the singular feminine word Shrutihi. Okay, that which is heard, she who is heard, actually she who is heard. So Veda. Okay, and that means many other Dharma Shastras may be written, Manu Dharma Shastra, etc., etc., etc. But if you can accurately infer a different meaning from the Vedas, which should not be some kind of a wordplay type of meaning that some people are getting out of it nowadays. Okay, then that stands to be called dharma. So okay, paramam pramanam. Okay, Shrutihi. Very straightforward phrase. Okay, the Vedas are the sole authority for those who desire to know dharma. So this we call it what is in many of our Darshana Shastras, Some are known as Astika Dharma, Shastras and Darshanas. Okay, you can call it Shastra. So Darshana is the correct word to use. Astika Darshana, and another one is Nastika Darshana. There is a subtle difference between Shastra and Darshana. We will not go into that. So the Nastika Darshana is one that refuses to identify with the Veda's sole authority, and the Astikas Darshanas are those which identify Veda's sole authority. There is a lot of argument within the Shastra Jnataraha or Shastris about the sole authority aspect of it. Okay. Because many say, hey, some of your statements in Darshana are conveniently admitting authority of the Veda when it suits your need, and otherwise just playing around. So like that also is there. There is a world of arguments. Okay. Anyway, so this is what.
Sir, can I say a few things here?
Please, sir.
So, sir, this is from Sankhya Darshan. So there is a one verse called as Ishvara Siddhi.
Ishvara Siddham.
Ishvara Siddhi. And both sides use the same word. Astik will use the same verse to prove Ishwar exists. And the Nastik use the same verse to say it. The verse says Ishvara is asiddh. Ishwar doesn't exist.
Ishvara Siddhehe. I think it's in Saptami, Sati Saptami. Correct. Due to the I say so because of the asiddhatva of the proof that Ishvara exists, something like that. Some people derive, other people derive that way, etc. Yeah. So in fact, we call Yoga Shastra as Seshvara Sankhya and Sankhya as Nirishvara Sankhya.
Yes.
But last
people
year,
who use this verse to say that Ishwar is asiddh.
No. It is not accurate. Actually, last year, here we have a very good teacher called Uttara Bhagini, who is also a Sanskrit Bharati person, but otherwise she is from the what you call this Vedic group is there, no? So from that, and she teaches interpretations of many of these shastras, and we read through Sankhya also. It is our vivaksha, how we read these things and take the meaning. There is nothing in Sankhya that is standing against. It's not against God or anything like that. It tries to go around proving things in a logical way without needing that element. That's all.
Right.
It doesn't try to disprove God.
Right, Mahodaya? Nastika Darshana or one is Charvaka, Buddha, maybe Jaina.
Sankhya is very much an Astika Darshana.
Right?
Yeah. It's not an Astika Darshana, but it is
no, but it is
very logical.
People call it as Nirishwar
Nirishwara. Correct. I know, but there is a love.
Ishvara and Brahma both are there.
Than to believe what others are concluding about it is for us to actually try and interpret it using proper gurus who are not trying to take sides. And then it will turn out that it's up to you to read certain words this way or that way. I don't think it is meant in a negative way. There was no need for the Sankhya philosopher to flay a godly position. He just took a logical evolutionary step in defining the existence of the world and so on and so forth. That's all. No problem. Anyway, all right.
Yeah. Mahodaya, in this Advaita Darshana, both Ishvara and Brahma both are accepted, but their roles differ, kind of. So one is temporary, one is permanent, kind of a thing. So in that way, they play around certain verses, taking meaning, extracting the meaning that suits to the philosophy, something like that.
In fact, one thing, even Vedantins, who are Parama Bhaktas of the concept of God, etc. Their only argument is what is that God? Nothing about whether he is there or not. But even they are the first ones to admit we all stand on the pedestal of Sankhya. Okay, so their philosophy is built on top of the philosophy built up through Sankhya philosophy, known as one of the earliest. In fact, Sankhya and Veda are like twins, we say. Okay. Yeah.
Sankhya and Yoga Darshan.
Yoga, sorry, not yoga. Sankhya and yoga. I mispronounced that as Veda. Sankhya and yoga, correct. How can I confuse Veda? Yeah.
Mahodaya, there are three words which are in Dvitiya Vibhakti. So are they adjectives or is it a Dvikarmak Vakyam, Mahodaya?
See, this Bhagini is very practical. She knows when to pull these menfolk who are getting lost in the concept of God and come back to the grammar for which we are sitting down here today. Thanks, Bhagini. So actually, see, that's why Shruti is in Strilinga. Dharmam jignasamananam pramanam paramam Shrutihi. So this one, paramam pramanam Shrutihi. Okay. Dharmam paramam pramanam. Actually, paramam pramanam. Why it is not in Strilinga? I have also put it down as 2.1 because they are adjectives to
Shruti is
Shruti.
the Karta, Mahodaya.
Shrutihi asti. Correct. Yes, it is Karta clearly. Shrutihi asti. Shrutihi pramanam asti. Actually, it is a, so this is actually 1.1, 1.1, but napumsaka. That's all. Okay. Pramanam paramam. Shrutihi paramam pramanam asti. Okay. So it's not a karma pada. So I think I withdraw my 2.1 qualifier to that. Okay. But it could have been dharma then. Oh, dharmam jignasamana. So this is karma pada to the jignasamana. Okay. Dharmam is the karma pada to jignasamananam. Paramam pramanam is a napumsakalinga pairing. So the paramam pramanam. Okay. Pramana is napumsaka. So parama pramana goes with that. And then shrutihi is like that. Okay. So this is basically a napumsaka qualifier description for shruti.
No, Mahodaya, I have a difference of opinion there, Mahodaya. Just to bring. See, Srutihi asti. Srutihi pramanam asti. So there the pramanam becomes the Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachan, Mahodaya. So what you mark is correct.
One second. Don't worry about Shrutihi pramanam asti. Give me another example where something is something else and that something else goes to Dvitiya.
Something I missed that.
See, how can A, which is B, and B is in karma position for A. Ramaha sundaraha asti kila. Ramaha sundaram asti, you won't say, na?
I agree with you. So if you say Sundaram asti, then it cannot be adjective to Ramaha, no? Same way.
So you cannot take karma position, right? A guna
Correct.
cannot take karma position. So I am actually concluding here that paramam pramanam has remained as a napumsakalinga pratama pair to Shruti. That's all.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
But
So
Shruti
maybe by 2.1. Shruti is Strilinga. Shruti, but anyway, let's see, this construction is slightly, without worrying too much about getting caught up in this, but definitely Pratama with Dvitiya type of thing, asti. You will never say Pustakam asti and call Pustakam in Dvitiya, na? See, Pustakam asti is still in Prathama only, Pustakam, Napumsakalinga Pramanam. So Paramam goes with that. Anyway, Shrutihi eva dharmam jignasamananam paramam pramanam asti. Okay. So here, Paramam, Pramanam, Shrutihi, all three are associated with Asti through Pratama Vibhakti's placement. That's how I look at it.
Okay, Mahodaya.
So, fine. That was a simple sukti. I think there is a lot to play. Actually, it will be nice if Sanskrit Bharati actually does a little bit of this for us very clearly so that we don't get into. So, this 2.1 is in doubt now. I will go back to some Paddhati experts and come back correctly with about this. Okay.
Okay, Mahodaya. Thank you.
But we never say Ramaha Sundaram Asti, Sita Sundaram Asti. So we always say Ramaha Sundaraha Asti, and then Sita Sundari Asti, like that. So Shrutihi Parama pramana should pramana should go to Strilinga because it is in a adjective, or is there some allowance for combining Napumsaka pairing with a non-Napumsaka as a qualifier in this sense, or can multiple lingas associated with a kriya in the same vibhakti? I will have to check that. Okay.
Amod.
Hindu matiyanam sarve dharmashastrani. Sarvani dharmashastrani. Sarve is pullinga. So sarvani dharmashastrani. Sarve mataha. That is correct. Veda vakyanusarinaha. Veda janyaha cha. So they are generated from Veda and they are actually following the Vakya of Veda or the Tatparya of Veda. Like that. Krudantaha. Shatru pratyayanta strilinga shabdaha. So we have moved from pullinga napumsakalinga because in the previous lessons we saw rapidly Tritiya onwards to Saptami. They took us through that. Okay. So now we are in Stri. And in this pata, they are focusing on Prathama Vibhakti is what I can see everywhere. Yeah. Ekavachana and Bahuvachana of Prathama Strilinga. Okay. So, Krudantaha Shatru Pratyayanta Strilinga Shabdaha. How do we break this if we want to not write it as one long word? Shatru iti pratyayah, Shatru pratyayah, Shatru pratyayena antam yasya, Shatru pratyayantaha. Okay, antaha yasya, something like that maybe. Shatru pratyayantaha, Shatru prantyaye Strilinge Shabdaha. Again, we have to build this as Strilinge Shabda like that. Okay. So this is what is the magic of Samasa. In Kovida, be very patient. I hope you will get a teacher who will patiently teach that aspect. Samasa is the highlight of Kovida and should be carefully understood. Vigraha Vakya Karana. Okay. All right. But for us, even at this level, without understanding what kind of samasa, how is the vigraha vakya, etc., by knowing the vakya spota, Shatru pratyaya means a pratyaya of the type of Shatru. Shatru pratyaya anta means a anta kriya which is of Shatru pratyaya type. Then stri means feminine. Strilinga means in the feminine gender. Strilinga shabda means a word of feminine gender. See, just like in English we construct a word of feminine gender, we have to start developing the technique of saying that in Sanskritam. That's all. That is the Vigraha Vakya of Samasapada. Okay. In the previous lesson, you got familiar with the participle forms of masculine and neuter gender, such as patan, gachan, patan, patat, gachat, patat, patan, patat. Okay, this is Napumsaka, that is Pullinga. So, okay, like that, 3 of Pullinga, 3 of Napumsakalinga, they have given all in Ekavachana. Prathama Vibhakti with different case terminations, different Vibhakti and Pratyayantas. Now, we proceed to acquaint you with the feminine forms of the same, such as patanti, gachanti, etc. in the nominative case, Prathama Vibhakti. So, I am Gata Pateshu Pullingam पुल्लिंगे अपि च नपुंसकलिंगे शत्रुप्रत्ययान्तानां रूपाणि ज्ञातवन्तः. इदानीम् अस्मिन् पाठे वयं स्त्रीलिंगे शत्रुप्रत्ययान्तानां प्रथमाविभक्तौ कथमस्ति इति अस्मिन् पाठे पठामः. संस्कृते वक्तुं शक्यते. वनं गच्छन्ती सीता न रुदितवती. वनं गच्छन्ती सीता न रुदितवती. निर्गच्छन्ती एव सा रुदितवती. किमर्थं तदा रावणः तां नीतवान्. अस्तु, वनं गच्छन्ती सीता न रुदितवती. So गच्छन्ती is like a adjective almost to Sita here. So Sita, who was going to the forest, did not cry. Rudanti na gatavati. You can further stretch that also into a Shatru. Vanam gachanti Sita Rudanti na gatavati, athva na rudanti gatavati, something like that. Arund, you can bring the na into the ru also with a way of doing attachment. Nai, but that will not go that far. Kridanti.
Just a lighter thing I would like to share. The Angli Bhashayam Anuvadam, it's a little bit funny. While going to the forest, she did not read. Later on, she wept.
That is true also, no? So it is not maybe they were thinking when they wrote that.
Yeah.
Power. So after reaching the forest, the trouble started.
Lankam gachanti ruditavati. Vanam ruditavati.
Correct. Vanat nirgachanti sa ruditavati. Nirgachanti, leaving the forest. Anyway, Kridanti Radha Jananim Drishtavati. So the girl Radha, as she was playing, she saw her mother. Radha looked at her mother. Okay, Drishtavati, yeah, looked at. Saw, looked at, both are okay. Shlokam Patanti Balika Eva Gauri. So this is to identify which girl is Gauri. You can pick from a cluster of boys and girls sitting there. You can say Shlokam Patanti Balika Sa Eva Gauri. Sa is not needed, but I just added it with a comma. Devam Namanti Sulata Shlokan Uktavati. So Sulata देवालये वा गृहे वा devam namanti sa shlokan uktavati. So as she was bowing down and offering her namaskaras to the god, she also told the shloka, many shlokas, plurality of shlokas she told. All are in past tense, uktavati, ruditavati. These are all ruditavan, ruditavati. It's a ktavatu bhuta kridanta kartari. Strilinge. Interesting applications. Keep observing all the side show. Lot of side show for us to learn. And like some of you are doing, there is more side show in the meaning also, which is more fun. Devam namanti sulata shlokan uktavati. Patim anusaranti lopamudra ashramam pravishtavati. So Lopamudra is a Muni Bharya. So Patim Anusaranti.
Vasishta's wife.
Vasishta's wife. Thank you, Bhagini. Yeah. Vasishta's wife. So Vasishtam Anusaranti.
No. Agastya's wife Lopamudra. Vasishta's wife is Arundhati.
Arundhati. Okay. Correct. I think how can we Saptarushi, Vasishta, Arundhati Katha is there, no? Arundhati Nyaya, something comes also in this lesson. Okay?
Yeah.
Arundhati, some Nyaya will come. Very good. I am a dud when it comes to these names of all these famous characters. I only know my own name, Valmiki. I think Valmiki stayed celibate, so I don't have any problem. Okay. So Patim Anusaranti Lopamudra Ashramam Pravishtavati. So following her husband, now we finally concluded it is Vasishta. Sorry, not Vasishta. Which one, Bhagini?
Agastya
Muni. So Agastya Munim Anusaranti Lopamudra Ashramam Pravishtavati.
He had another name also, Kaushitaki and Varaprada.
She had other names, Kaushitaki and Varaprada. Wow. Thank you, Bhagini. Thank you, Bhagini.
Interestingly, Mahodaya, this a side note, Lopamudra was actually Russian.
Huh?
It's Russian. It's actually Rishi Varsha. She's from Rishi Varsha.
Okay.
Which is currently Russia.
Great. Okay.
Is it Kanchi Paramacharya used to tell this? I remember.
Lopamudra. Even now, if you go to Ukraine now, they have names Lopamudra.
Oh, really? Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. Where if you go, you will find that name?
Ukraine.
Okay.
From USSR.
Ukraine. In their own world, it is Ukraine.
In fact, even Yajnavalkya was from Ukraine.
Okay. Very nice. Okay. Bharam Vahanti Sangeeta Adaha Patitavati. So as she carried the weight, Sangeeta, the lady, fell down. Harismaranam kurvati mata devadarshanam kritavati. Harismaranam kurvati mata devadarshanam kritavati. So remembering the Hari as she was.
There is a sandhi here, right? Haris plus Maranam.
Harismaranam, Harehe Smaranam, Harismaranam. I have to check whether that Sakara is due to a Visarga or it is not, because Smaranam is a word, okay, not Maranam. Clearly there is no Maranam. So it is not what you think. It is Harehe Smaranam, Harismaranam, Samasapada. Okay, there is Samyoga, but there is no Sandhi.
Okay.
So Kurvati Mata Devadarshanam Kritavati. So why, as doing the remembrance of Hari, she saw also the Devas. Okay, that means she was hopefully looking at a Hari also.
Katham not there, Mahodaya, here.
Huh?
Gachanti, Patanti. There is a nakara, right? Similarly,
Kurvati, it's a Vishesha Kriya Pada, no? It's always giving us double Kurvati. Karoti, Kurutaha, Kurvanti, that as a Vishesha, maybe it is having Nakara Lopa. We will check. Hopefully it is not in error.
They have given a rule later in the...
So I think we have to be a little patient. See here, Kurvan, Kurvati, Janan, Janati, Rudan, Rudati, Krinan, Krinati. So irregular route. It goes to that. Something for us to memorize, because we won't be able to follow the Paninian Prakriya for a while. But at least something for us, few examples for us to remember. That there are exceptions. So they have slipped it in here. Katam likhanti Veda Geetam Geetavati. Geetam Geetavati. Veda is also a Gita, so nice. So as she wrote the story, she sang. Oh, she really happy girl. Okay, so this is Bharam Vahanti Sangeeta is here. And I think Kridanti Radha is here. And this is our Katham Likhanti Veda. She's writing a Chitrakatha according to the icon. Okay. There are some footnotes. You guys can check that later. Ninth one, Kshiram Dadati. This is also an exception to the Nakara type of thing. So Dadati. Okay. Denuhu Trunam Khaditavati. As she was giving milk, the cow ate the grass. She was feeding the grass as she was giving the milk. So here the interpretation is she was giving the milk. So it may be somebody was drawing the milk, or maybe the baby was drinking it. That is left to our imagination. Sarvebhyah madhuram dadati mata pitaram smrutavati. So mother remembered the father as she was giving the sweets to everyone. Under what context this sentence can come out, I also don't know, but this is fine. Okay. Maybe he was the one who
again I have something funny about Today is Father's Day, I got to know.
So mother is giving sweets to everybody else, and then remember, so father has gone away, I didn't give him. Okay. He's left for office or whatever. It's not a corona time. So Kridantyah Balikaha Itastatah Dhavanti. This must be the toughest. The corona time must be the toughest for ladies, no? The relief they used to have sending off their kids and husbands away is gone.
Now everything falls in place, actually. We get used to. We are very flexible, you know. Okay. Now they are participating.
As long as you have a family that is helping you.
Spouse at home.
Oh, that's good. That means you are in a lucky bracket, Bhagini. Good for you. Okay. Kridantyah balikaha itastatah davanti. So as they are playing, this is plural now. Okay. Balikaha. Kridantyah. So kridanti, kridantyah. Balikaha itastatah davanti. See, this one is again there in Kannada. Every language has it. Illegal, alli, illi. Alli, we say in Kannada. Here it is itastatah. Illinda alli. Like that. Okay. Idhar se udhar. Hither, thither of English is an exact derivation of this. How close the languages are. Hither, thither, old English, you will find is closer and closer. Dhavanti. Apanam pashyantyah striyah tatraiva stitavattyah. So again, plural everywhere. Striyah, stitavatyah, pashyantyah. So as they were looking at the shop, the ladies stood there only. So must be something, some gold shop. Krishnamurti Varya, Hota Krishnamurti Varya, you have something to say? You are unmuted.
Yes. Today is Father's Day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because that lady giving sweets to all forgot the Pita. Father's Day today.
No, but she was, sir, at least remember, she was remembering the Pita, no?
Remembering Pita.
Look at the positive, sir. She's not totally forgetting.
Only Father's Day. Father's Day.
Yes.
I wanted to remind Father's Day. Namaskara, Ramanujam Acharya.
Namaste, Varya. Dhanyavadaha. Phalani kadantyah vanaryah bijani kshiptavantah. So as they were eating fruits, see vanaryah, see this usage. The lady vanaras, many of them, plurality of them. Okay? Vanara, vanaryah. Okay? Bijani kshiptavantah. Yes. Somebody has...
in 11th one, itah plus tatah santi visarga santi asti.
Visarga sattva sandhi, correct. Itastatah, itaha tatah itastatah. It's like nice to pair it like that and show it. So that's why sometimes if we separate them, no, the color is shorn from that pair, right? If you say Ramaha, Lakshmanaha, Cha, its color is shorn. Rama Lakshmana, color is there. Okay? Some things go together. Lava Kushau, like that. Bijani Kshiptavantaha. So they ate the fruit and threw the seeds. Nutana Griham Kshalayantyaha Karmakaryah Danam Praptavatyaha. So as they were cleaning the new house, or actually by the act of cleaning the new house, the lady workers, they obtained money. Okay. Karyakrame is not the way we would normally use. Kshalayitva we would use in this case. Okay. Because it's not like somebody is distributing notes to them as they are wiping the floor or something. So you would say Nutana Griham Kshalayitva, which is one single avyaya, Kshalayitva, Karmakaryah Danam Praptavatyaha is a better construct. But just to show the Shanach, they have used this. Whether you can really use such a thing is, yeah. But you can translate it this way. By the act of cleaning new house, the workers the lady workers obtained money. So everywhere you see Vanaryaha, Karmakaryaha, Strilinga Bahuvachana. So Karyakrame Gayantyah Gayikaha Mukhyatithim Drishtavatyaha. So this is karma. So Atesadak Mukhyatithi Gayikaha. By as they were singing the song in the Karyakrama, this is location basically, the singer saw the chief guest. Okay. Maybe he came late. Otherwise, why will be distracted? Shatikam Krinatyah Lalanaha Karyakramam Nagatavatyaha. So, Lalana is like, I think I'm wondering, I should have actually highlighted the correct meaning. So a set of friends is how you can use the word lalana there. Okay, so as they were purchasing the sari, they did not go to the function at all. So they just said, okay, this is better use of our time, and kept doing that Shatika purchase.
Women buying same saree, is it? Shatikam is a singular here.
See, you are lucky. They all together bought one Shatika. Be happy. But this, you don't always take it in a literal sense. Sometimes in the Vakya it is used in that. While purchasing sari, we say in English, we don't say saris. Same way, that way. Okay.
That also happens, Mahodaya, for one sari. All lalanas go.
They buy for someone else, right? For a bridegroom, for a bride, they all together go on buy.
Actually, they enjoy the process of choosing and purchasing. Correct. Owning it is less exciting than buying it. Yes. Same in my case.
So
Oh, sorry. I think I muted.
Lalana has an adjective too, Mahodaya. It's not only Nari, it's Sundar Nari.
Okay.
It's a group of Sundar Nari going to.
Nice. Lalanaha. So yesham lalityam asti te lalanaha iti kimapi syat tatra. But lalanaha mahilaha is in bracket. Mahilaha is the target. Yeah. Very good. Krishnam smarantyah gopikaha ruditavatyah. As they remembered Krishna, the gopikas, they cried. Geetam shrun.
Uddhava came.
Yes.
This event from Bhagavata is when Uddhava came, bringing a message from Krishna. So they all remembered Krishna and started weeping. So that is, I think, the sentence is fitting that.
It's in that context. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Where was Krishna?
Krishna was in Mathura then. So Uddhava brought a message from Krishna that how are you all, like some Ubhaya Kushalopari message. So during that time they all wept.
Okay. Good. Geetam shrunvatyah nartakyah sarvam vismrutavatyah. So as they listened to the song, the dancers forgot everything. I mean, they were in such a bhava something we say. I forgot the word for that. So bhava vesha. Yeah, they were in such a bhava vesha that they forgot the world like that. Sarvam vismrutavatyah. Nice one, that one. Paritoshakam dadatyah shikshakaha palam na khaditavatyah. So as they were giving the presents, see again paritoshakam is a kind of obviously paritoshakani. Okay, shikshakaha palam na khaditavatyah. They did not eat the fruit. Okay, they forgot to take the snacks. Okay, good. Margam ajanatyah baginyah. See. Yeah, no, it's similar. Smarantyah, lalayantyah, few others. Yeah. So krinatyah, ajanatyah, they all fall into this. Even singular, they had that. So maybe these are some vishesha declensions. Okay. So margam ajanatyah, baginyah kashtam anubhutavatyah. So without, as they were not knowing the way, margam, way, Baginyah, the sisters, they experienced difficulty, anubhutavatyah. See, this Shatra is slightly in a different sense than in the sense of current continuous. So, this is giving the sense of them not knowing the way. Okay, while not knowing the way is a sense we use in English, but it's in the sense of due to the reason of not knowing the way can also be taken from this. Okay, so it can be taken in that sense. Yes, Mahodaya.
There is a song in Kannada that is Nale Barutihenendu Madhurege Pogi Barade Bahula Dinavaitalo Uddhava. Like Shvahayeva Agachami iti Uktva Krishnaha Madhuram Gatavan Tad Gatva Bahuni Dinani Gatavatyah Sahana Agatavantaha.
Purandaradasa,
Gopala Dasa song it was.
Gopala Dasa. The Dasa Sahitya is lovely. I just love the lyrics of Dasa Sahitya. It's some of the best works of Kannada and of course also Telugu, etc. are in Dasa Sahitya. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah. They bring tears to our ears by bringing the Sannivesha beautifully. Anyway, Shatranta participle forms in feminine such as Gachanti, Likanti, etc. are declined like Ikaranta Strilinga Gauri Shabdaha. Okay. So Gauri, Gauriyau, Gauriyaha, Likanti, Likantyau, Likantyaha, like that. Okay. So important. Okay, but remember that's always first rule. There will always be things told later. So this is what we call in Vyakarana Paddhati as stating the Samanya and then going to the Vishesha. Okay. So we state the broad rule and we should not conclude from that everything is that broad rule. Okay, exceptions will follow. The Prathama Vibhakti, in Prathama Vibhakti, the forms are Gachanti, Gachantyau, Gachyantah. So that's a continuation of the earlier statement. When you observe the Shatranta forms in the above sentences, you will find that in some, comma, there is Nakara as in Gachanti, and in some others there is no Nakara as in Dadati. We saw that earlier also. Here, Dadati. So the rule concerning this feature is as follows. So now the exception is in stated. You take the lat lakara prathama purusha ekavachana form of the same root to see if there is a hrisva akara before the ti. How subtle this is. Okay. So you take the lat lakar, because we always start with this. Generally, it's easy to use this. So for example, dadati. Dadati is the lat lakara form, right? Dadati, dadataha,
Dadati Mahodaya.
Dadati, dadatah, dadati. Dadati is plural. Dadati, dadatah, dadati. It is a kind of a reversed dhatu.
Right.
So there is a dirgha akara, dadati. So there is no hrisva akara. Okay. So because there is a hrisva akara for gacchati, for example, if there is a hrisvakara, then Shatranta will have a nakara in it. So Gachanti will happen. Similar to its own plural Gachanti, that dirgha fight, Gachanti. If there is any vowel other than hrisva akara, there will be no nakara. So it's fairly conclusive, easy proof of to find the distinction. If we know the latlakara prathama purusha ekavachana, of course, we hope to know that much for popular dhatus. Okay, nice.
Now, how is kurvati declined here?
Kurvati.
Karoti no Mahodaya. Karoti ka plus a plus ra plus o.
O
is not there. O kara is there.
Very good.
Okay.
Very good, Bhagini.
That O is an vowel, therefore we have avoided nakara here, right?
Oh, so hrisva akara is very, very small set. Any other swara is ruling it out. So out of the whole ach set, only hrisva akara is allowed for nakara generation. But that seems to be the dominant set. It's also interesting. Anyway. So gacchati, here the ti is replaced by a, preceded by a, samyatam. A, gacchati. So therefore gacchanti is the form in stri shatranta. Patati. So again akara, so patanti. Shrunoti. So our just now like karoti types. Okay, okara. So shrunvati is the form, not shrunvanti like that. Okay, shrunvati like that. But again, remember, in order to derive this also, you should know the other bahuvachana form of this also. Shrunoti, shrunutaha, shrunvanti. So shrunva is taken from that sense. Okay. But the nakara of shrunvanti is gone, but shrunoti, because having o, shrunvati is the form. So a collection of knowledge from Prathama Vibhakti and bahuvachana, Prathama Vibhakti, ekavachana and bahuvachana forms in Lat is helping us. Okay. All right. Janati. It's akara, so janati. In the second lesson, you were introduced to the masculine forms of certain irregular roots. Now we'll learn how to derive the feminine forms of the same. So this is hopefully helpful. That means the irregular roots is a kind of a common set. It's not like for feminine Shatranta we will have a different set of irregular roots, etc. Looks like whatever gives trouble there gives trouble here. It is good. So you know all the brats, to use the English word. Kurvan kurvati, janan janati, rudan rudati, krinan krinati. Okay. Udaharana. Irregular. Visheshaha. The form gachanti occurs in latlakara, prathama purusha, bahuvachanam, and also in napumsakalingam shatrupratyyantam. Wow. So now they are highlighting something related to napumsakalingam shatrupratyam, gachanti, that one. Okay. Gachat, gachati, gachanti. that one. Okay. So patat, patati, patanti. Lat lakara pratama purusha bahuvachana and also in napumsakalingam shatru pratyayantam. To distinguish between the two forms, study the following sentences carefully and note the difference in the meaning of gachanti. Now, actually, I'm only wondering why they pulled this Vishesha into the Strilinga section. Maybe it is just to teach something. They filled the space with that. I mean, I'm wondering, is there any relationship to why we have to study Strilinga before they give this Vishesha? Okay, let's give them the margin and keep studying. Gachanti, they go. Let vartamana kalaha pratama purushaha bahuvachanam. Balakaha vidyalayam gachanti. No problem. We know this is our first standard sentence. Gachanti, those who are going and moving. But this time, the meaning is different from they go. That means this one is in Shatranta Napumsakalinga. Shatru pratyayanta napumsakalinga pratama dvitiya bahuvachanam dvitiyayam api tathaiva bhavati iti dvitiya api dattamasti gachanti mitrani gachanti. So gachanti mitrani pashya. Okay, see the friends who are moving like that or going like that. Okay, that sense. Okay, here they have given some examples. Gachanti yanani maya drishtani. Okay, so the vehicles that were going. So here this in Anvaya Rachana, if they give such a sentence, we will be throwing up all over to find out what's happening. Why there are Drishtani Gachanti? How do I pair this? So Gachanti is a Shatranta, Napumsakalinga Bahuvachana. So now it's very clear. Gachanti Yanani, the vehicles that are going, by me they were seen. Some guy who is giving evidence, I guess. So it's a Karmani. Maya. See? Gachanti Pratama Bahuvachanam. Karmani, nothing to do with Gachanti Yanani. That is just standing apart. I mean, it ends up in Karmani because of Maya Drishtani. Aham Drishtavan Kartari. That's all. So nothing else changes. Gachanti Yanani Aham Drishtavan. What is the difference between the two? You have to remember. When I say Gachanti Yanani Aham Drishtavan, Gachanti Yanani is in Dvitiya Bahuvachana, each of them. Okay. When I say Gachanti Yanani Maya Drishtani, Gachanti Yanani is in Pratama Bahuvachana. That's why to bring this Pratama Bahuvachanam, oh, here only it is there. Exactly what they have explained here. So Kartari Prayoga of that will put this in Karma position. That's what they have said here. So Gachanti remains the same Shabda Dhvani, I should not say, but its meaning is different. Here it's a Karma Pada and there it's a Kartru Pada. In the sentence above, Gachanti is a verb, whereas in number 2, oh, okay, last 10 minutes alert I'm getting. Whereas in 2, it is a Visheshanam of Yanani. Oh, I am not convinced. Oh, 1. Oh, sorry. I thought and a. So, no, sorry. 1 all the way back. Oh, God. Okay, that is fine. Gachanti is a verb, whereas in 2 here, it's a Visheshanam of Yanani, and that is actually here. And the sentence has another verb, which is Drishtani in a Kridanta form. Drishtani Santi, something like that. Drishtavan Asmi. So Adhyaharana has needed for the actual verb, but okay, we know what they mean. Okay, by knowing the difference in the meaning of the word Gachanti in the 2 sentences, you will understand the difference in forms also. It is good with the examples they show. What we have to now figure out is whether in the heat of the street usage we will know this when the example strikes. Okay, Gachanti Stri.
Mahodaya, Gachanti Yanani, that going vehicles, Gachanti Yanani, Gachanti may not be a primary verb.
No, it is not. That's what here in both the number 2 and a, both Gachanti are Shatrantas. One is in Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachana, another is in Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana. That's all.
Okay.
Both are Shatrantas. In both places here it is not a Kriyapada. It is in the sense it is not a Lakara Kriyapada, whereas here it is a Lakara Kriyapada, Gachanti, Lat Bahuvachana.
Dhanyavada.
okay, a few things about Kridanta. Some Kridanta forms are still Kriya Vachakas, but they are not Kriya Padas. Okay, so Gatavan, Drishtani, Drishtavan, these are all Kriya Vachakas, but they are not Kriya Padas. They are Nama Padas. Okay, it's a subtle difference because they are describing the person, qualifying the person with that activity. So there is a Kriya Vachakatva, but you have to supply the Kriya Pada in the end. Gachanti yanani aham drishtavan asmi. Aham is there, so asmi. Okay. Where we were? Gachanti. I think there was a mistake, so I have struck it out. Okay. She who is going, not those who are going, because Gachanti is a ekavachana. Okay. So she who is going, Stri, Shatru Pratyayanta Strilinga Pratama Ekavachana. So there is a English error. Udaharanam Balika Gachanti Kadati. Girl eating while going. Already lots of examples have been given. They are just in the part of this Vishesha. They are now switching to see what are all the Vishesha. We saw some Vishesha where they described how this is a Lakara, how this is a Napumsakalinga form. Now they are bringing attention. That's why I think I put this. Look, don't get confused like this. I got confused. So here Gachanti, Gachanti, Gachanti all sound same if you are not careful. So here there is a Dirgha Gachanti. Like that, some color of tone also we have to add to make it proper Shatranta. Okay, so there Samskrita Bharati, now I know why this Vishesha is put under the after the Strilinga introduction, because we saw three forms of Gach, Gam Dhatu, two Shatra, one Lat Lakara, two Shatranta forms which look very close and we have to be cautious. That's what they are trying to help us with. So we know this Gachanti is Strilinga. Udaharanam Balika Gachanti Kadati. Gachanti is an adjective of Balika Strilingam and is in Ikaranta. So it is a Strilinga Ikaranta, nothing to do with the Gachat form of Shatranta, Napumsakalinga. So Gachanti Lat Pratama Bahuvachane, Gachanti iti Shatru Stri Ekavachane. So comparing to that Gachanti, this is so different. So now we are aware, Gachanti, 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 three possibilities. Of course, here it is distinct, but because when we use it in a sentence, sometimes this Dirgha we miss here, we might make a mistake. So because finally Sambhashana is auditory. So that's why Samskrita Bharati is highlighting that. So time for us to practice. Abhyasaha adasthana क्रियापदानां शत्रंत स्त्रीलिंग एकवचनांत रूपम लिखता. Oh, after a long time, I am seeing Samskrita Bharati making some allowance for us by putting a hyphen. They also don't like putting hyphens. I love hyphens, but they say, hey, you shouldn't need them. Put them in your brain. Okay. Udaharanam vadati vadanti. Shrunoti, Shrunvati. This is Okara, so Shrunvati, like that. So I think easy game for all of you guys are now experts now. Patati?
Patanti.
Nakara is there. Patanti. Ati, Anti. Ati will go to Anti. So I have separated that Ati from the Lat and Anti as the ending of the Shatranta. Okay. So next, Dadati.
Dadati.
Dadati. Dadati. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ drag ಮಾಡಿ.
Dadati.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೈಲಿನ್ ಬಾರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದದತಿ ಆತಿ ಅತಿ. ಹೌದಾ, ದೀರ್ಘ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದ ತಕಾರ. ಓಕೆ. ಸ್ಖಲತಿ ಸ್ಖಲಂತಿ ಅತಿ ಅಂತಿ. ಜಾನಾತಿ Janati. Immediately now we have become expert. Only we have to remember now. This is the way. Okay. Ati, ati, ati. Dirgha to Hurusva. So Parishilayati. Yakara has a akara ati. So again anti. So Parishilayanti. Roditi. Some of the guys are really ready. I thought somebody will say Roditi like that. Okay. Rudati. So you guys already know whenever we have this encounter with these guys, sometimes there is a play of dhatu stem portion also modifying. So we have to remember Rodati, Rudanti is the lat bahuvachana. So similar to that, rudati. So the lat bahuvachana stem portion helps us. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chintayati.
Chintayanti.
Easy one. Easy one. Chintayanti ati anti. Karoti.
Kurvati.
Kurvati. So karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti. So kurva we take from kurvanti, and oti is there. So ati will come. Kurvati will come. Oti goes to ati. More than that plays the kurva portion also. Okay. Very good. Anayati.
Anayanti.
Akara only. So straightforward. Anayanti. Krinati.
Krinati.
Akara is there. So krinati. Yeah. But see, let us go to lat. Before we open, let us check our brains. Krinati, krinatah, krinanti is there. So krina only is there in bahuvachana. So no play. Krinati. Correct. Okay. Very good. So that section we could answer well. Etesham bahuvachana rupani likhata. Patayanti shikshika, patayantyah shikshikaah. We have to be only cautious with the nakara thing, but I think there is enough clue from the ekavachana. Let us see. Let's see how our brain works. Janati balika, the girl who is knowing. Because ati is there, antyah, janantyah, janatyah. Oh, there is no nakara here, you see. Let's go back. Let's go back where we fell apart. See, krinatyah, ajanatyah. See, we have to pick up the clues. So, ajanati will go to ajanatyah. Okay, janati is there. So the nakara is missing in bahuvachana also, guys. Okay, we have to remember that. So that's why some of us faulted there. I also faulted. Yeah, good lesson for us. Nasti. I remember to highlight that. Okay, janatyah. Suchayanti margadarshika. Here there is a nakara, so it will continue with the antyah. So suchayantyah margadarshika n asti. Okay, very good. Pachanti janani. Janani, kshamyatam. Pachanti janani.
Pachatyah
jananyah. Very good. Pachantyah jananyah. Well done. Janani, jananyau, jananyah. Pachanti, pachantyau, pachantyah. Something like that. I am assuming it is pachantyau. We have to unravel the table and check that.
Why nakara?
If it is nadi, nadyau, nadyah, no, same way. Yeah. Yes, Mahodaya?
Only pachatyah, right?
Why? Pachanti is there. No, nakara is there. It is not pachati.
Okay.
It's Ubhayapadi, Mahoday. Is it Ubhayapadi, Pachadatu? So that's why.
No, Bhagini. It is Pachati, Mahodaya.
This is Shatranta, first of all. In Shatranta, the Ubhayapadi or what you call Atmanepadi, Parasmaipadi is not at play because the Dhatu Rupa is following Shatranta rules. But if your question is what is the lat form, I guess, right? Pachati, pachate. It is a Ubhayapadi, correct. But for comparison, we can use the Parasmaipadi form, Pachati, and go.
Okay.
Risva akara. So, but her question is very interesting. What happens with pure Atmanepadi dhatus? How do we do the form? But I think if you go back...
But that is Shanach, no, Mahodaya. Shatru is only for...
Correct. Thanks.
There Pachamanaha come, something like that will come, right?
Pachamana will come.
Yeah.
Yes. Or Pachamana, we have to see. Shaknuvati dasi.
Shaknuvatyah
No nakara. Shaknuvatyah. Dasi goes to? Dasyah. Okay. Shaknuvatyah dasyah. There is our brain tells us to say dasyah. Remember, it is nadivat. So nadi, nadyau, nadyah, hrisva. So dasyah. We'll stop there. Okay. हाँ, लिखन्ति भगिनी.
लिखन्त्यः
लिखन्त्यः
भगिन्यः.
Bhaginyah. By giving us lot of ikaranta strilinga, no, they are helping us because both decline blum 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 like that. If they give us some other tougher endings, we will start having more issues. Antyaha balikaha, antyaha kaha, like that. So that is a little bit more cautiously we have to do. Yeah. Here there is a sound play which is prasa, which is saying.
Why Nakara did not present in Shaknuvati itself? Shaknuvati is the present.
Shaknoti, okara.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's what Bhagini told us, no? In earlier.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
You're forgetting very quickly, Mahodaya. Likanti Bhagini.
लिखन्त्यः भगिन्यः.
Likantyah Bhaginyah. Well done. Okay. Rudati Sakhi.
रुदत्यः सख्यः.
See, here remember, no nakara, so rudatyah. No nakara in the plural also. Rudatyah Sakyah. Sakhi, Sakyau, Sakyah. Nadivat. Nayanti Karmakari.
नयन्त्यः
Karmakaryah. Correct. Nayantyah Karmakaryah. So, what is the meaning of Rudati Saki? Crying friend, lady friend. Nayanti Karmakari, the lady worker who was carrying some object or something. Okay. So, Nayantyah Karmakaryah. Milanti Agraja.
Agrajaha.
मिलन्त्यः अग्रजाः.
Somebody told the answer before I closed out my question, so I didn't hear it. Milantyaha agrajaha. Okay, so simple strilinga aha types. Okay. Badnati naika.
बध्नत्यः नायिकाः.
Badnatyah naika. What are they? What are they?
बध्नाति महोदय.
बध्नाति. नकारः नास्ति.
बध्नाति.
बध्नति.
बध्नत्यः नायिकाः.
No, dadati like badnati.
Dadati type.
Yeah,
so see, Badnati is a lady leader who is binding somebody. I don't know whom she is binding, but she is binding someone. Okay. Whatever she is binding. Okay. So then many lady leaders who are binding. Okay. Badnatyah. There is no nakara in Badnati, so that's what. Okay. And if you want to know what is the lat form, Badnati or something like that. Badnati, Badnatah, Badnanti, something like that will come.
Badnatah, Badnuvanti.
How is it, Bhagini?
Badnati, Badnatah, Badnuvanti.
Badnuvanti. My God. Wow. Okay, then Badnatyaha will come, Badnuvatyaha will come. I made it complete. Badnatyaha. So that's what this here it looks like dhna like that in their font. In my font it comes one below the other. Don't get confused by that. But I'll cross check this answer, I think, in the Abhyasa. Because Bhagini told some other declension, so now I'm getting doubt. Bhaginis are very good with memory, so you have to go with trusting that first. So, number 9. Badnatyah is correct the way I have probably cross-checked that. So, Badnatyah naika, correct. Okay. Jalpanti vruddha.
Jalpantyah vruddhaah.
Nakara. Jalpantyah vruddhaah. Very good. Jalpantyah vruddhaah. The old ladies who were chit-chatting. Hopefully something daivik. Okay. Oh God, so much more abhyasa to do. Okay, how to leave you guys? So much more abhyasa. Let us try a few at least to call it, because otherwise we'll be starting with this abhyasa. Udaharananugunam vakyani parivartayata. So let us see what is the parivartana they have done. Adhyapika. Jalpantyah, I don't know what you were trying to say, Mahodaya. Your internet was not clear bandwidth, so some cutting happened. Something about Jalpantyah. What was your question?
Hello?
Tell me, so ask your question again.
Jalpantyah is internal chatting, isn't it?
Yeah. They were chit-chatting between themselves. Correct. Jalpa is actually, if you go to Nyaya Shastra, it is a concept of Jalpa is called a meaningless argument between two parties without following the laws of argument is called Jalpa. Okay, with when there is an opponent who wants to defeat the Siddhanti, he uses Jalpa. It is said in Nyaya Shastra. But here, this Jalpa is Laukika Jalpa. So we use it in the sense of chit chatting. Okay.
I see. And Vartalapa is both that also is chit chat.
Vartalapa is not chit chat. Vartalapa is some meaningful discussion, hopefully.
Okay.
Yeah.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
उदाहरणानुगुणं वाक्यानि परिवर्तयत. अध्यापिकात् उत्तिष्ठति पाठयति. अध्यापिका उत्तिष्ठन्ति पाठयति. So they are actually trying to put this first activity as a Shatranta into the second one. Okay, so that we don't have to speak in bits and pieces of Sanskritam like that. This Patayati sounds like poor fellow standing alone. So Adhyapika Uttishtanti Pathayati. So as she is standing up, she teaches like that. Okay. Lakshmi Gayati Nrityati.
Lakshmi Gayanti.
First of the block, Mahodaya. Lakshmi Gayanti Nrityati. Oh, she is really capable. I mean, how one can dance and sing, her voice will go all over, but she is doing that. She is capable. Very nice. Lakshmi Gayanti Nrityati. Radha Krishnam Pashyati Tushyati.
Radha Krishnam Pashyati Tushyati.
Pashyanti Tushyati. So Pashyanti Tushyati. Just remove the full stop, make this Shatranta. Very straightforward. Pashyanti Tushyati. So like this. Okay, just let us focus on the pair. Okay. Ahvayati Roditi.
Ahvayanti Roditi.
Because there is a akara. See now why this whole exercise is nice is already the lat pratama is there. So it's like a prototype helping us to go to the Shatranta form. So Ahvayanti Roditi. See this strange form. Roditi. Charulata Uttaram Smarati Likati. Smarati Likati.
Smaranti Likati.
She is a very dedicated answer giver. So without writing some nonsense, she is remembering what is the correct answer and writing. Smaranti likati. Divya chintayati khedam anubhavati. Chintayati
khedam anubhavati.
See, now they introduced one more karma pada for the second trailing active kriya pada. So we have to include that in our sentence. But what is really happening? Chintayanti anubhavati. Kim anubhavati? Khedam anubhavati. Astu. So anayati skhalati.
Anayanti skhalati.
Akara. All these are ati types so far. So anayanti skhalati. What is skhalana?
Tremble.
Slipping and falling.
Slipping.
Poor lady Lalita, she slips as she brings water. So hopefully nothing happened to her. We'll assume that. Sumitra prashnam pritchati pashyati.
Pritchanti pashyati.
Pritchanti pashyati. अस्माकं कक्षायां छात्राः प्रश्नं पृच्छन्ति भवन्ति. Another application of that. But here the pritchanti is of course in different sense. Anyway, Srimati hasayati pathayati.
Hasayanti patayati.
Such a good teacher to have. My mother-in-law's name is that and she is a teacher, so I have to show her this sentence. Hasayanti patayati. She'll be happy. Okay, here.
Tadrisham Bhavaneva, Mahodaya, Bhavaneva.
I am Hasan Patayami. My teaching brings laughter to myself. So I am hoping you guys are not laughing too much at me, because I am laughing at myself anyway all the time.
No, sir, after post lunch session is always like we are drowsy, but you keep us so alert and we are just enjoying.
Okay. No, actually, like I told you, if we don't enjoy it, we won't learn. It's not like running through the syllabus and things like that. So one or two of this also we will do and close out. Shatrantam padam prayujya ekam vakyam kuruta. Very nice. Okay. Grihinyah pakakaryam smaranti jalpanam sthagayanti. Oh. Okay. So this is plural of sense of whatever is that. Okay. Grihinyah pakakaryam smarantyah jalpanam sthagayanti. Oh, poor ladies. Okay. So now only I'm getting the meaning of it. So the ladies, housewives, they remember that they have to cook. So they remember cooking and they stop the chit chat like that. So that's what is Marantyah Jalpanam Stagayanti.
Jalpan is also another word, na snacking, na Mahodaya.
No. Jalpanam is always talking.
Acha, chit chat. Okay.
Chit chatting, yeah. Not charting.
Actually, Jalpan in North, it's like over a cup of tea or some samosa.
That is, you are associating the fact that Jalpanam happens while drinking tea to that. No. Drinking tea is just an excuse for Jalpana. Okay.
We had this particularly in meetings. All they used to say, just we'll have a Jalpan meeting types.
This Jalapanam, Jalpana. Actually, you are triggering something in my mind there. So whether this Jalpana is constructed as Pana like that. So like that.
Chai pani.
Chai pan.
Chai pani, yeah. It was like we had in our meeting Jalpan type. Jalpan. Jalpan ho gaya yaar. Chalo meeting ka maza hai.
देखो संस्कृत काल में भी संस्कृत काल अभी भी है. जब कालिदास जी और सब कुछ थे तब भी यही काम चल रहा था. It gives us some happiness. The world was together. गोपालिकाः क्षीरं दुहन्ति कृष्णं स्मरन्ति.
गोपालिकाः क्षीरं दुह्यन्तः.
Why you introduce yakara?
This is bahuvachan.
Duhantyah. Ya has to go with
sorry, correct.
Duhyantahan. Duhyantaha is a word, but you have to be very careful. Duhyantaha means hating. Hating or irsya, some such sense is there. Because this is also the dukh is there little bit for that burning thing also. Here it is drawing the milk from the cow, this dohana. But there is that another type, so you have to be careful, dukhyantaha and all that. Okay. Anyway, duhantyah. Okay, so duhantyah krishnam smaranti.
Kamadhenu has another word like kamaduha, kamaduk.
Yes.
And the pratipadigam is kamaduha.
The dohana, that drawing milk. Correct.
Yeah.
Actually, the one who gives milk as per desire, like that, right?
Yeah. Exactly. The kriya, there is a kriya involved, and it has to be noun. So they have made a compound word with help of a pratyaya, and that is kama dukha. Apne काम इच्छा के अनुसार milk fulfills our desire. Yeah, देती है.
देती है. बहुत बढ़िया. कामधेनु. Yes. See, that means the dhenu shabda comes from duh dhatu. Almost. It probably does. Okay. Vidyartinyah Bhagavad Geetam jananti triptim prapnuvanti.
Bhagavad Geetam janatyah.
Why Janatyah? Janantyah. Because there is a Janati. Oh, you're right. Janati Akara.
Because
very good.
previously we have done that, sir. That's why I said
Oh, sorry, sir. Yes, madam. I am bad. Me bad. So Janatyaha is correct form. Okay.
Yeah.
Ekavachana is Jananti is Ekavachana. Janantyah. Hey, I put Nakara there.
No.
My bad.
Janati Akara it comes now, sir.
No, I have a mistake. I have to edit. Number 2. This is number 4, right? So
4 second one.
I'm looking at the correct abhyasa. I'm checking. Fifth lesson 4. Correct. Janatyaha. My bad. See, you were right there.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we'll call it a day after that.
Yeah.
This itself is wrong. Both are incorrect. Simply I have written what come to my brain without thinking.
Even sir, 6th one seems to be incorrect, no?
Which one?
6th one.
One second, let me go there. This one?
6th answer of yours.
Here below,
Yeah, you have brought in Nakara in the reply.
Where?
No, she saw while I was editing. She's quick to notice that.
Oh, okay.
He's looking ahead.
No, that is correct. Kurvanti.
Karoti, na? Karoti. See, Svi and all doesn't change the dhatu. So she's right. Here is also mistake. So Svi Kurvatyah. This is another error. Okay. I will correct it immediately after the class. So she's correct. So I guess you guys know to write the correct slide. So that's very good. Thank you. So let us call it a day. Let's start with this Pada Sangraha next week. Looks like a lot of joy there. Pita putrasya karanam vyavartayantam dandayati. Okay. Astu. तो तर्हि पुनः अग्रिम शनिवासरे एकादशवादने मिलामः अस्तु वा
धन्यवादः
महोदय
धन्यवादः महोदय
नमस्ते. I will stop the recording and call it end.